Hello guys, hopefully you all will be fine. Today I got a new cryptocurrency mining website in which you can mine Litecoin, TRX, BTC, USDT. A lot of cryptocurrency is mining here. When you register on this website, you can get $4.5 for free. If you want to increase your mining speed, I will tell you how you can increase your mining speed by using deposit or freely. Friend, I request you to subscribe my channel and give me thumb button if you like my video, and subscribe my channel please, and give me your valuable comments in the comment section. Now I am going to show you how you can register on this website, and I will provide you everything in detail. Click on register. I will give you link in the description. You will click on it and you will reach here easily. Here you have to put your email and then they send you email. Here you have to put your email, then they send you email and your password in the on email. Now since I have already account, now I am going to sign up on this website and I will show you how you can start your earning. They give us a captcha on every task, on every action I take on it. I have to verify it to proceed on this website. You can see here I have started my Litecoin over here, and you can see BNB and Bitcoin. After that you can mine Tron over here. You can reinvest and withdraw your any type of these four cryptocurrencies website. Now friends, I am going to show you how you can deposit on this website. You have to click on it, and here you will see that how in which cryptocurrency website you have to deposit on this website, and you can select here amount of your USDT, and you can select here your any cryptocurrency type. You can see here we have another option, and bonuses. Get a random bonus from 1 to 5 VHS every 6 hours. The bonus will be instantly credited to the power. Here you can get your bonus very easily. Any task we do over here, and we have get this type of captcha. And now I am going to show you how much you have withdraw. To take your first withdraw, how much minimum you have. You can see here the minimum amount to withdraw funds from your account is 0.016 BNB, 75 TRX, 0.076 LTC, Litecoin and Bitcoin 0.00023. You can mine every this cryptocurrency website on your account. Now I am going to show you how you can increase your mining speed without refer on this without deposit on this website. You go to your affiliate link, you have to click on it. Here you can see your referral link. You have to share this link as much as you can. Other people will click on it, and if join this website you will get giga share power freely. Friends, if you want more video in future, you have to subscribe my channel and give me your valuable comments. If you like video, then give me a thumb button. We will meet in the next video. Okay friends. Here I got another website where you can mine Dogecoin very easily. Today I got a new mining website for all of you. You can mine here Dogecoin freely without any investment. First of all, I am going to show you how you can sign up on this mining website. You can see every of its fake news contacts mining Dogecoin now. You can check any of your question from FAQ button. Investment and withdrawal. I am going to show you how you can take your minimum, how much you need to mine on this website to take your first withdrawal. What is the minimum withdrawal amount? You can see a Dogecoin minimum withdrawal amount is 30 Doge. Tron, Litecoin, Dashcoin, Bitcoin is seller as you can mine every of this type of cryptocurrency on this website. You can see a amount is 30 Doge. It's mean that you can take your first withdrawal after mining 30 Doge on this website. Now I am going to show you how you can sign up on this website. Click on sign up button. You just need to put your username, full name, your double email on these two blocks, and you have to put double password, and you can select your secret question and answer. Then you have to fill up this captcha and click on registration. You can easily sign up on this method on this website. Since I have already account, now I am going to log in on this website without wasting any time, so that I will tell you about anything on about this mining website. Now click on enter and you will see here we can see any type of option freely. Account statistics, boy, Doge, miner, withdrawal funds, your mining history, referral system, security settings, and edit account. You can see here how much Dogecoin you can get 200 DHS Dogecoin hash rate power in this website freely. Account balance, you can check any of this. I have 0.85 Dogecoin balance in this website. Now I am going to show you, first of all, you can see a promo material. You can check on it and expand and share this banner as much as you can, and you will take freely Doge hash rate power in this website. Your mining speed will increase automatically and you will earn a lot of Dogecoin on this website. Now I am going to show you my withdrawal funds and your mining. You have to right click on it and you can see here your mining 1500 Doge hash rate power, amount spent 150 Dogecoin, no active miner contract. If you want to spend on this website, it's your responsibility. You have to, if you want to spend on this website, you can spend. I am not going to recommend you to deposit on this website. You can see here gold miner, royal miner, gold miner, gold man miner, and JP Morgan miner. As much as you have Doge hash rate power, your mining speed will increase automatically. Now I am going to show you how you can take your withdraw on this website, withdrawal funds. Here you can find every type of wallet address. You can select any type of wallet to take your first withdraw on this website. You can minimum take your withdraw at 30 Dogecoin on this website. If you want to take request, you have to put and request. First of all, you have to here select your any you can see here tick options. Now here you have to put any, if you want to put any comments, you have to select and then send request. Your money, your withdrawal you will take in your wallet address in 24 or 48 hours. Now I am going to show you how you can increase your mining speed freely without deposit on this website, without doing anything. You can see a referral system. Here you can see referral link. You have to copy this link and share it as much as you can. Other people, click on your link and join this website. You will get Doge hash rate power freely without doing anything, without deposit on this website. Friend, I request you to watch full video. If you want more video, then subscribe my channel, and if you like video, give me a thumb button and provide me your valuable comments in the comment section so that I will bring more video for all of you in future.